What's the most breathtaking place you've ever seen? Picture this: miles of white sand dunes filled with turquoise lagoons, a waterfall so powerful it makes the ground shake, a rainforest that stretches as far as the eye can see. Brazil is a country of incredible sights, from tropical islands to historic cities. Whether you love adventure, wildlife, or relaxing on a beach, there's a perfect place for you. In this video, we'll explore 10 must-visit places in Brazil, with links in the description for tours if you want to plan your own trip. Now, let's get started. Florianopolis is a mix of nature and city life. It has over 40 beaches. Some, like Joaquina Beach, are great for surfing. Others, like Campeche, have calm waters perfect for swimming. The island is also famous for seafood. Try shrimp at a beachside restaurant or visit the public market for fresh oysters. And when the sun sets, the nightlife here is some of the best in Brazil. If you love wildlife, Pantanal is the best place to see it. This massive wetland is home to jaguars, giant otters, and hundreds of bird species. Unlike the Amazon, Pantanal has open landscapes, making it easier to see animals in their natural habitat. Boat tours take you deep into the wild, offering a close look at nature's beauty. This looks like something from another planet. Lençóis Maranhenses is a desert, but during the rainy season it transforms. Rainwater fills the valleys between the dunes, creating crystal-clear lagoons. You can take a 4x4 tour to explore or walk the dunes to find the perfect lagoon for a swim. Walking through Ouro Preto feels like stepping back in time. This colonial town was at the center of Brazil's gold rush in the 1700s. The Church of St. Francis of Assisi is a masterpiece with intricate details covered in gold. The city is also a great place to buy unique souvenirs, like handmade jewelry and art. Imagine floating down a river so clear that you can see fish swimming around you. Bonito is famous for snorkeling and cave diving. Rio de Prata is the best spot for snorkeling, with water so pure it looks like glass. And if you love caves, Gruta do Lago Azul has an underground lake that glows bright blue. Salvador is where African, Portuguese, and Brazilian cultures come together. The Pelourinho district is full of history, live music, and street food. You'll see capoeira performances, a mix of dance and martial arts. And you have to try acarajé, a delicious fried dough filled with shrimp and spices. Iguazu Falls is one of the biggest waterfall systems in the world. Standing next to it, you can feel the power of the water. You can walk the trails to different viewpoints or take a boat ride right into the falls. And don't forget to look for wildlife. This park is full of exotic birds and animals. The Amazon is the largest rainforest on Earth. It's home to rare animals, giant trees, and endless waterways. Visitors can take boat tours, visit indigenous communities, and even see pink river dolphins. Rio de Janeiro is one of the most famous cities in the world. From Christ the Redeemer to Sugarloaf Mountain, every corner offers an amazing view. And if you visit in February, you'll experience the biggest party on Earth, Carnival. Link for the Carnival Parade admission tickets in the description below. This is paradise. Fernando de Noronha has some of the clearest waters in Brazil, making it perfect for snorkeling and diving. You can swim with sea turtles, watch dolphins, and explore coral reefs. And if you want to end your trip on a high note, the sunsets here are unforgettable. Brazil is full of adventure, beauty, and history. Which place would you visit first? Let us know in the comments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.